should I cut my hair short again? I want to draw one today, the kind of hair that is a freshman. Type. It feels like the weather has gotten colder recently. Then the skin becomes very dry, and the whole face, it's fine when you apply it lightly and moist. No more concealer. Use it. Acne red blood shows design. Let him be dry and red and pat him open. Put it upside down and pat it open for him. I have a bold idea. I decided not to fire, I met Dawn. As long as you say it looks a little good, he seems to be without foundation. If the liquid is primed, it is not so easy to push it away. Shouldn't I have such a bold idea? Get an air cushion. Draw a big one today. Dessert, I am ready. Don't roll over, don't roll over, don't roll over. Please don't roll over. Exist. Take a look at the newly bought double eyelid sticker. I haven't put false eyelashes on for a long time. This rule is perfect. Then transition the tail. Give it to those with clean eyes to see if there is any empty skin. Eyed a double eyelid. I want to be faster. Then mix the real and false eyelashes and clip them. Gently clip, otherwise I'm afraid. He has no curvature. He looks good without radiance. There is this effect. Wow, it looks good. Okay, I'm awesome. Then click the inner eyeliner from my eyeliner. After cutting the inner eyeliner, then we pull the force out from the end of the eye. Usually about this. Then relax everywhere. The eyelashes at the end of my eyes are red. Not much I'll go from above. Pull out a little. You think so? I draw a round one, haha. Draw a mole. Just treat it like one mole here, just treat it like 2 moles. I can accept it. Then the other one also drops the eyelashes. This joy. This is how I feel.